Hello all. Prepare for your IELTS test. There are two types of IELTS tests to choose from: IELTS academic training, IELTS general training. So this is an overview of the introduction session. So there are 4 sections: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Listening total duration is 30 minutes. Academic duration is 60 minutes. Academic reading. In the academic reading, you will be asked about multiple choice questions, identifying information, identifying writers' views or claims, matching information, matching headings or matching features, matching sentence endings, sentence completion, summary completion, note completion, table completion, flowchart completion, diagram label completion, and short answer questions. General training reading, the duration 60 minutes. It includes MCQs, identifying information, matching heading, matching features, matching sentence endings. The difference is that academic reading materials is from the books, journals, newspapers. But when you come to the general reading material, the section 1 and 2. Section 1 deals with the day-to-day topics. Section 2 deals with job-related topics. And section 3 deals with the articles from journals, magazines, newspapers, etc. Writing, academic writing, 60 minutes. It consists of, that is task 1, 150 words, describe some visual information. It could be either graph, table, or chart and diagram. And task 2, presented with a point of view or argument or problem, write an essay. Write within 40 minutes a minimum of 250 words. General training writing, the duration is of 60 minutes. The task 1 for 20 minutes with a minimum of 150 words. The task 1, write a letter. Task 2, 250 words minimum within 40 minutes. Write an essay in response to a point of view, argument or problem. Speaking, it's about 11 to 14 minutes. There you have 3 parts. In part 1, answer questions about yourself and family. Part 2, you speak about a topic, and in part 2 you speak about a topic. In part 3, you have a longer discussion on the topic. Thank you.